So we're going to remove the screws from the light switch. I'm going to be using this drill, and I have to put it on reverse with this little switch here. So here's one screw. I have to save these so you don't lose them. Right? Oops, I just dropped it. I just lost it. Okay. Alright, you have to do it slow so it can come out in reverse. Alright, light switch, pull it out. Can you see? Pull it out. And step number 2 is disconnect all the wiring that I have done here. So we have to take out the yes, I did turn off the main power. Thank you. Yes. Okay. So let's take these off. There, I just took off this one. And that was connecting the copper ones, which is also called ground. And now we have to remove, see, all this. Also called the wire. Now I have to remove the plastic around it. Plastic, electric tape around it. Like I said before, I'm not an expert. I don't know anything. So I'm just learning as I go. Forgive me if I make a lot of mistakes, which I will. But we're going to try to do everything to code. So it calls for a screwdriver that is a Phillips, I believe you call it, with a little star. But this Phillips it doesn't work. It's too pointed. So let me find a screwdriver that will